And then you will see that I'm not just a Raggedy Ann living in a van. I mean, I am a lot of the time, but also sometimes I look cute and can do my hair and makeup. So I will be back. Hello, hello, hello. I am going to do another makeup review. It is some more NYX products. Last time it did not go that well when I did the Thick It and Stick It brow mascara, but that is okay. I have no makeup on. I've been doing laundry, cleaning out the van, and running some errands. I washed my hair 2 days ago, and there's really no product in it other than leave-in conditioner. So yeah, we are all natural. Okay, so let's just get straight into it. I've really just kind of been over the matte liquid lipsticks because I'm in a colder climate and my lips tend to be more dry and chapped, and I just feel like the era of matte liquid lips, can we be done with it? Because it just ends up getting dry and crusty. I don't care what brand it is, it's just too much. I hate when they put stickers on like that. I'm gonna just hyperfixate on getting that off in a little bit. I have the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. It is a regular crayon or pencil that you're gonna sharpen. That is fine, I do not mind it. And what color is this? London. The color is SMLL 33 London. Okay, it looks like that. Can you guys see it? Can you guys even see it? Maybe I'll put a photo. And then I have the Suede matte lipstick. I do not find that matte lipsticks are as drying as the liquid lips, because I do have their lingerie liquid lip line, and I like that it's full coverage, it stays on, and I use that for performing. But for just everyday out and about, too thick, it's too much. So I wanted something a little bit more neutral. All right, let's try it on. I need a mirror. All right. If you're like, where the hell are you? I live in a van full time. So, yeah. Okay, I like the color. It's like a nude, peachy undertone, I guess. I should have like exfoliated my lips before this. I have a really thin upper lip. All right, let's just see how that goes. Let's see how it pairs. When I picked these items out, I didn't know that they were both part of like the Suede collection from NYX. And I do feel bad that last video. Oh yeah, this is in the color Dainty Days. So it is like a brownish nude, very similar to this. I think it'll, oh, that goes on really smooth. My lips are definitely drier right now and like really, I need a lip scrub. That feels really nice. That feels really nice. And as always, I know it's like weird because I don't have any other makeup on. I don't know. I feel like some people might hate this color. Like, is it giving the early 2000s when we basically wore the like concealer on our lips? I like it. But that's just me. That is just me. I like the texture, even if you're not a fan of this color. They have a bunch of different colors. I'm not a red lipstick girly unless I'm performing. And I already have some pinker, like more pinky lipstick, so I didn't want to just get a bunch more in the same shade. But I'm a fan of it. I think it'll look good when I have my makeup done. So I am going to go do makeup. It might be a different day from now, but I'm going to do makeup. And I will come back like with my hair and makeup done, and then you will see that I'm not just a Raggedy Ann living in a van. I mean, I am a lot of the time, but also sometimes I look cute and can do my hair and makeup. So I will be back. All right, I had put everything away and I was ready to drive off to continue my day. And I just wanted to show you this transfer. So it goes on really creamy. I really, really like it. I didn't get any on my teeth. Can we just say, I might have thin hair, but ma'am, I have the volume. Bless my natural frizzy little hair. It was really windy today, so there was no point in styling my hair. I was doing laundry and it was a wind tunnel. But look at this transfer. The transfer is not good. So I think it looks great to just wear out and about, or if you're from Canada, oot and a boot. I'm from Florida. I don't know why I said that, but I went to college up north one year on Lake Erie, and there were so many Canadians. But yeah, this is not, if you're trying to like maybe go to a wine tasting, the Suede lipstick from NYX, maybe not the best for transfer, but I still like it. Just definitely not something I would wear to dinner. I'm sorry. There's no lipstick I like wearing to dinner. Can I say that? When I'm ready to chow down, I'm ready to roll my sleeves up and wipe my mouth. I'm just eating. So I don't even care about the lipstick staying on. What do you mean? When I do my hair and makeup, I'm like a doll. There's going to be no food, nothing. I'm just like this. Okay? So yeah, don't wear this to one of those seafood boil places. But I still like it a lot. And I know the color is controversial. I feel like people are going to say it looks weird. Shut up. Wait until you see it with all the makeup on. Shut up. All right, now I'm going to do the transition. All right, and we're back a couple days later. I did my makeup just a little bit. Ignore the little eyeglasses marks on my nose. So I have on the NYX Suede and Dainty Days, and then I have the NYX Suede pencil in London. They say they're matte. They look matte, but they feel cream. They go on really smooth. They don't get that crumbly, like weird, like some of the matte liquid lips can get a little crumbly. Ignore my bangs. I didn't style them. I just like brushed them out. So, but yeah, I have on NYX Epic Ink Liner. I have on some type of NYX mascara. These are just some eyelashes I got offline that have like little different colors in them. I have some with pink and green in them, whatever. I'm using a Revlon micro brow pencil. This was like a neutral Morphe palette I had. What else? I'm using some of the Hoola powders from Benefit. I have on highlighters, some Wet n Wild, whatever. I have on a stick from Wet n Wild for contour. I use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer for highlighter. And I'm using a NYX liquid blush I really like. It's called Cheeky or something. For primer, I use the e.l.f. like whatever the blue one is. It's like really sticky. Some people don't like it. I like it. I think that's it. I don't know. I can't remember. Setting spray. I'm not really a fan of the setting spray I have right now. And then I use the e.l.f. like HD like translucent powder just to set everything. But yeah, I really like this color when I actually have like some blush and contour and makeup on. I like it with my hair color. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. And there is transfer, but I think it's worth it because a lot of the other mattes that stay on end up getting crumbly after a while. I don't know. But yeah, I will put a photo up here somewhere so you can like actually see what they look like. But like for what? For $8, totally worth it. I'm really happy with it. I like the color. I might go get some more of them. I hope you enjoyed this makeup review, and don't get bamboozled.
Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video, and if you want to see more of our adventures, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for next time when I do my makeup at the Pisgah National Forest and then go hiking.